Are you ready to hit the road? Come on, let's go.
Let's go. In this week's video, we're heading to Ann Arbor, Grand Rapids, and Gaylord, Michigan. Stick around to see our one-night stay at Big Buck Brewing.
Good job, bud.
He just needs the moral support. After Elkhart, we made our way to Ann Arbor, Michigan. This wasn't planned, but we figured out we could visit the Ford F150 Manufacturing facility and Henry Ford Museum. Big plans today. The first thing on our agenda today is the Ford Manufacturing tour, and then this afternoon I have an appointment. I am getting a new tattoo, so it's the first one I've gotten in like 20 years, but we're going to be doing that today. Some of the signage inside the museum was interesting, however, did make me think that in almost all of these scenarios, someone was likely just behind each of these inventors in bringing the idea to life. The tour was compelling, especially with our manufacturing background. We watched the production line for more than an hour, learning what each job was responsible for and how quickly they could accomplish their task. The scheduling of the line also became very apparent when we noticed that no more than every third vehicle had a panoramic sunroof installed. So if that's something you want, know that you are one in every 3 production units. From the roof observatory, we could see the rattle and shake track, made for people just like me that hate any time there is some random noise inside the vehicle. We could also see Ford's living roof, made to help capture rainwater, clean the air, and reduce cooling costs. At the end of the tour was a small museum set of production vehicles that were made in Dearborn, the 1949 Ford, the Thunderbird, and the Mustang being some of the most iconic. I've been considering a few new tattoos for a year or so now. Francis from Ramblin' Hamblin helped to start identifying the type of artist I wanted to find, and that led me to Alex Gama at Lucky Monkey Tattoos in Ann Arbor, Michigan. He's a fantastic artist, and the owner of the shop, Dana Forrester, was great to work with to schedule the appointment. I found out while I was there that I was lucky to have gotten in with Alex, as he typically books weeks out. Afterward, we stopped at Buddy's for Detroit-style pizza. While good, we definitely felt like we should have found a more local pizzeria after finding out this was more of a chain.
Locking up and heading out today. This whole back corner is a dog park, which was pretty great to let the dogs run around. These are all the full hookup spots, I believe. Maybe on the far end there's not, but all of these are the full hookups. So they have 30 and 50 amp full hookups. And they're all fairly large sites.
If you want a great spot at Wayne County Fairgrounds and don't need full hookups, the backside has plenty of great water and electric spots.
We are staying at Lake Wabasis, something like that.
I've been pronouncing it Wabasus.
Yeah, but they don't pronounce it that way.
Oh.
Anyway, it is a pretty busy little campground. Lots of tents, lots of campers, lots of kids on bikes, lots of dogs.
What's actually crazy about it is for every camper, there's probably an average of 2 cars, maybe 3.
Yeah, I think we're early.
Yeah, right over here is Pinball Land. That's kind of cool. I assume it's like they just have a bunch of pinball machines.
Yeah.
There's like 9 real estate agencies down here. It's a little reminiscent of like Brenham.
Yeah.
Farmers market's open. First purchase was beef sticks.
And turkey jerky.
And turkey jerky. It was nice they had something besides like beef stick or beef jerky and had something Emily could eat.
Now you're good for a couple, 2-3 hours.
Okay.
How are you traveling?
Got our second purchase of some chips and salsa. And now Emily's looking at vegetables.
We got lettuce, asparagus, strawberries, beef jerky, chicken jerky, chorizo, ground pork, and chips and salsa.
Is that all we got?
We may have more somewhere else. I think that's
I think
all
that's
the bags.
everything. Like I like these beef sticks for drive days, and there was someone doing like local ones, so I think that was fun. And Emily got the turkey jerky, or not turkey, turkey jerky.
Yeah. We met Irwin Family Farm. They're super sweet, super nice, super cool, and then we met the hippie chippies, hippie chippies, hippie dippies. So it's father and daughter that she makes the chips, he makes the salsa, and then these were local farmers, just different ones throughout. But all the vegetables look really good, all the fruit looked really good, and I think we did pretty good today on our farmers market haul.
Yeah, I think farmers markets are fun to go to.
They are, and it's finally season.
We're packing up today. We just have a late checkout.
Yep. We are heading to Big Buck Brewing in Gaylord, Michigan, and then on to Mackinac
City.
So we're very excited, and probably going to start packing up here soon.
Yeah, the hard part today is I can't really hook up until we're like really ready to leave because my nose will stick out. So right now it is get stuff cleaned up, get ready to get going.
Yep.
Gaylord is our last stop this week. It was just an overnight stay to break up the drive between Grand Rapids and Mackinac City, but it was a really great 24 hours. We walked through downtown and stopped by a local car rally, and Emily had her picture taken in front of a 45-foot beer bottle with lube.
Just pulled into our harvest host in Gaylord, Michigan. It is called Big Buck Brewing. They have a very large parking lot, and we are setting up camp for the night.
He's dripping. That's it.
Let me see.
Good for the night.
Yep.
And because we're harvest hosting, that's literally all we're doing.
Yep. And here is some dogs
This morning we're getting coffee
at Cups and Donuts. So this has a pretty rich history in the area, so we decided to walk here from our harvest host and check it out. Good job, bud.
He just needs the moral support.